What's the meaning of conventioneer? Conventioneer. Conventioneer.
Conventioneer. Conventioneer. A conventioneer is someone who attends a convention, which is a large gathering of people with a shared interest. These events often occur in convention centers or hotels and typically feature guest speakers, workshops, and vendor exhibits. Conventioneers may attend for a variety of reasons, such as networking with other professionals in their industry, learning new skills or technology, or simply enjoying the social atmosphere. It's important to note that conventioneers are not limited to business professionals. They can come from any background and attend conventions related to many different topics.